let's take 156 and divide by 13. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my area model, and I know that I have to build 156. So I'm going to build 100, 110, 20, 130, 140, 150, 151, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So now I am taking that and I am putting it in groups of 13. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13. So I want to break up my 156 into groups of 13. So I'm going to start with my 100 and see if I can keep my 100 together. So I'm going to do 100, 110, 120, 130. Now if I'm doing my partial products at the same time, what I have just done is I've taken 156 divided by 13, and I just took out 10 groups of 13, which was 130. That means I have 26 remaining. So if I look over here, I have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So now I've got to put that in groups of 13. So I'm going to do a group of 13, 10, 13, 10, 13. So out of that 26, I was able to get 2 groups, and 2 times 13 is 26, so I have 0 remainder. So this was 10 plus 2, which gave me a quotient of 12. Okay, so now to draw 156 divided by 13, we'll start with my area model. I'm going to draw my 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm also going to draw my 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. I'm going to start with my 100. That's 100, 110, 120, 130. I just took out my 10. So I've got 130, 140, 141, 42, 43, 53, 54, 55, 56. So I didn't have any remainders. So I know that that was 2 more groups of 13, so 156 divided by 13 is 12. Now let's do 200 divided by 15. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my 200, 100, 200, then I'm going to draw my area model. I'm going to draw my 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, I know I'm going to go ahead and put in 100. So now I'm going to have to break this 100 up into tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I wanted to check and make sure I had 10. So now I'm going to do 110, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we use 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means I have 5 remaining, or 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to do 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I've done 1, 2, 3. Now I've got 20 left. So that's 30, that's 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So I've taken this last one and broken it up into 10 ones. I've used 5 of them, but I have a remainder or a leftover here of 5. So I got 10 groups plus 3 groups with a remainder of 5. So here with partial quotients, we have 200 divided by 15. We got a group of 10 out. That was 150. And 20 minus 15 is 5, so I had 50 left over. And I know that 15, I can do 15, 30, 45, so that is 3 groups, because 4 groups would be 60, which is too many. So that is 45, and I have a remainder of 5. So my quotient is 13, remainder 5. 204 divided by 17. I'm going to start by drawing my 204. I'm going to draw my area model, and I'm going to draw my 17. So I'm going to have my 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I'm going to start with my 100. 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we just did 204. We took out 10 groups. That was 170. And what do I have left over? So 20 minus 17. I have 34 left. So what I just did was I took my 100. I had to take this 100 and I had to break it into 10 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we use that 100 and we use 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many do I have remaining? 31, 32, 33, 34. And it corresponds with my 34 here. So then how many groups of 17 for that 34? So I'm going to do 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So I got a group of 10 and a group of 2. So 17 goes into 34 2 times, which gave us a remainder of 0. So 204 divided by 17 is 12.